Welcome to CS Aerotherm, the leading manufacturer of bakery equipment in India. Our first bakery oven was introduced to the market in 1997. We are pioneers of ovens and bakery equipment in the Indian subcontinent. Throughout our history, we have incorporated the latest technologies in baking equipment to make our products reliable and efficient, and thus meet the ever-changing needs and desires of our loyal customers. With such a wide range of products to choose from, our customers are always delighted to pick their favorites from the lot. CS Aerotherm is every baker's pride. With such a wide range of products, our customers always find an answer to their equipment needs. We offer a one-stop solution for all their baking needs. Thanks to our constant search for excellence, our machines are amongst the best in the market. We thrive for quality in our equipment ranging from bakery oven to rack oven, deck oven, planetary mixer, spiral dough mixer, dough divider, prover, dough rounder, automatic bread plant, automatic depanning machine, automatic cream rolling machine, automatic slicer, and recently incorporated convection ovens, to name a few. We can proudly say that our made-in-India machines are aesthetically designed while using advanced European technologies.